first option is what I had suggested to him the day the Supreme Court order came, that we should look at something starting at 87. जो notification एली त्यांना जो bill pass झाले abolition of concession act for Goa. I told him that instead of 61, we are in Goa BJP, center BJP, and we should all form in the interest of, forget politics, leave politics, winning, losing election. We should look at the industry as first. Second point was that you have a corporation, and without giving leases to anybody, the corporation runs. That CM and Honorable CM सांगले की third is आमचे auction, which I objected. I was the first to object. बाकी जे बाबू कहले करे आपण पाहला आणि इवन प्रताप सिंग राणे साहेब विल हॅव टू थिंक म्हणून पाहला कशें करपाचें हाऊ विल बाकीचे म्हणून पाहले आनी कोण सगळे आसले ते. सो आय ऑब्जेक्ट कित्याक म्हणल्यार म्हाका एश्युरन्स जाय. म्हाका ऑक्शन करपाक प्रॉब्लम ना. म्हाका ऑक्शन म्हाका लीज होल्डर आता म्हणटा नॉट सेइंग टू हरीश बाब, बट लीज होल्डर आय एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन एनी लीज होल्डर. I am interested in my operations of the activity. It's an economic activity. It's an activity which is from where I represent people who are dependent, and I represent them. So I have to be very vocal and very this, that you assure me that तुझे जे आसा केन्ना चालू जातले. ऑनरेबल से म्हणून बोलो 6 म्हयन्यान चालू जातले म्हणून बोलो. हांवें म्हणलें जावचें ना. हांव म्हणलें प्रॅक्टिकल मनीस आनी जावूंक शकना. फोर्थ ऑप्शन वॉज डम्प्स जे आसा डम्प्स, to start auctioning those dumps and start industry and see what material, what कितें आसा. So, but that also dump policy करता 2012 आमी करता dump policy. There are two ways to go forward. I am only asking my government that you first go to our central government and say that this bill is effective from 1987. म्हणजे the lease जे आसा, but we will say ते मागीर तेंचो एक legislation आसा. There are some people saying it is in constitutional bench. From 98 it is not heard regarding the abolition act. Let us leave that aside. Let us first say that first of all MMDR act has come to Goa from the year 1987. MMDR map was made in 1957. So we were not there at that time. We were in Portuguese time. So let us do and ask that 87. In 2006, 300 people have application to renew their leases. The government then, that is the Congress government, that God knows what they said over that. If they had renewed those leases then,
or denied,
or denied, then it was the fault. They should have replied to the letters. Application are inward kelli, हाँ तो reply करो ना. And perpetually when they make an application, if you have not decided on application, that means their lease is in force. So based on that, if government makes an 87 on central government कडे ordinance फाल्या काढू शकता. आणि ती जर काढल्यान मागीर असेंब्लीन बिल काढू शकता, म्हणजे पार्लिमेंटान बिल पास करू शकता.
गव्हर्नमेंट कडेन पॉलिटिकल विल आसा हे करपाचें
ते करून घेवपाक जाय. आणि म्हाका आय हॅव डिसायडेड टू गो. आणि दुसरें जे आसा त्याचा दुसरो पॉयंट आसा, हो जालो एक. दुसरो उपाय जालें that other was removed an ordinance saying that Supreme Court order जे आसा we will implement auction करपा जाय आनी करा. But let these leases which are there whatever stay for the next 4 years or 5 years. So because by the time these other auction lease करता, you start auctioning them, let them start mining industry. Then 5 वर्षांनी बंद पडलं म्हाका काय फरक पडलो.
सरकार तुम्ही म्हणता सरकारा खातीर मायनिंग हे सेक्टर प्रायोरिटीत ना.
नो एक्टिविटी ना म्हणल्यार कितें रॉयल्टी येवपाक आसा. खंयचे तरी हे कन्सेशनाचेर
इंडस्ट्री बरी भशेन चलतली तितली एक ताका रेग्युलेशन आसपाक जाय.
अरे करपाक जाय. आमी हांव आसा
केन्ना कर आनी कितें जावपाक जाय ते करपा खातीर
कोणाक खबर, देवाक खबर, हांव नका कितें सांगपाचें म्हाका खबर ना. पूण हांवें डिसायड केला की आय एम गोइंग टू बी व्हेरी वोकल. म्हाका सरकार प्रकार काय लागना. हांव इफ इट इज फॉर सरकाराक आय एम अनफॉर्च्युनेटली एन MLA ऑफ द सरकार, बट आय एम फॉर्च्युनेटली विथ द पीपल ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री. दिस इज माय रोल फ्रॉम टुडे.